5112 Haverton. Still got snow. Gonna have it here for a while. You see we got quite a bit. But again, I'm trying to get the garage people out here to get this quoted, but that'll be there. It'll be right over there. And then as we go inside, you'll see we got a lot done. So this is all the paint and flooring's all done. Say, hey Dave.
How you doing?
Good, nice sweatshirt. So you see all that's done, all the lights are put in. We got the LED lights. Poured around, we gotta get all popped in. But you can see that all the flooring and everything's put in. This room's finished too. There's a light for that. And, what are you doing now, Dave?
Fixing a crack in the wall in there.
Drywall repair?
Yes.
Make sure it's nice, huh? You always do. Then we got the countertops and the backsplash done. Got all these painted. They look good. They look really good, Dave. And then we do have a bathroom up here, but we haven't started it yet. But I just want to show you, we do have that. That one will also be redone, all that. Let's go downstairs. There's a lot of work's going on, too. Hey Otis, how we doing?
We're doing great.
We turn that light off?
Sorry about that.
It's all right.
Yeah, we're doing good.
We're getting the heater put in this week, the new heater?
Monday, starting Monday.
Monday, so what kind of heater are we putting in?
We're gonna put in a new furnace.
Do you know what brand yet?
Probably it's gonna be either a Goodman or a Guardian.
Okay,
They've been around a very long time.
good furnaces.
Yes.
And then,
Also, we're gonna be doing some duct work to get you some more height space.
yeah, that's all gonna get redone when you put the,
Furnace in.
yeah. I'll show you the new bathroom. We're getting that all laid out. So you can see there's the toilet and there's gonna be the vanity. The shower's already in. So it's really looking good. On this one, we should have this one done in a couple more weeks.
2 more weeks.
All right. Hey, this is Brett, T Realty. If you got any questions or concerns, let me know. What are we doing with the electrical box over here?
We're gonna be straightening it out. But it's kind of crooked laid out. We're gonna straighten it out.
Okay, so you get rewiring it a little bit.
Yeah.
We got all the material down here on this one, as you can see, all that's down here. So we should get this finished. Thanks, I appreciate it. Have a great day.